All right, so here's some more projects to do, which I've talked about. These all come from the Advent of Code Great List. So here you have, this is just practicing parsing. So your input is just a string containing parentheses. Open, open, close, 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 open, and so on. So your task is to count the parentheses. Each opening one is +1, each closing is -1. So these are matched pairs with an equal number of opens and closes, so they add up to 0. 3 opens adds up to 3. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 opens and 2 closes, so that also gives you 3, and so on. And as you can see, this is one early step in parsing a line of data to find the matching parentheses. So that's all this is. So you're just going to have to loop through a string and count the opening and closing parentheses. And you've got a database, which of course is pretty big here. So the way to do this, like all the previous projects, is designed exactly for this, is first write your code and then try all these examples in your code to make sure it works. And then you test it on this one and get the count. And here you're going to get a running total, but you're going to find a position of the first character that causes the running total to first reach -1, and so on. So you don't read through the whole thing, you go until the count reaches -1. Which, by the way, would be the place where the syntax is broken. You have opening and closing parentheses, and opening and closing, and when it reaches -1, that's when you have the first syntax error, because you had a closing parentheses without an opening parentheses on the left of it. So this is this task, it doesn't say this here, but this task is what you'd have to find a syntax error when parsing code. All right, so there's that one. That's VP53.